Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to use low light feature on Instagram Reels. This Instagram Reels feature lets you record better lighting videos in low light conditions. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can use it. Log into your Instagram account and go to the profile page. Press on the plus icon at the top of the screen. After that, select the Reel option from the pop-up menu. As soon as the camera screen opens, click on the moon icon at the top of the screen. Now hit the button in order to start recording a video. Then you may edit your video by mixing audio, doing voiceover, adding stickers, drawing or writing something. Once you're happy with your video, press on the next button and post it on Reels. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use low light feature on Instagram Reels. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.